Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning everyone. Good morning Miss. And today I would like to explain about blends and acronyms. Okay, let's start with blends. Blends is a new word created by combining parts of two different words. Usually, we take the beginning of one word and mix it with another word to create a new meaning. To understand it better, let's look at what makes blend unique. Okay, we move to characteristics and patterns of blends. Blends have some special characteristics. The other one, they take parts of two words, not whole word. Second, the meaning is also a mix of the two original words. There are a few common patterns in forming blends. First part of word 1 plus last part of word 2, for example, friends plus enemy to frenemy. Second, first part of word 1 plus first part of word 2, for example, smoke plus fog to smoke. And the last, first part of word 1 plus all of word 2, for example, telephone plus vision to television. Now, we know two patterns. Let's see some examples you probably already know. Okay, example of blend is brunch, breakfast plus lunch, smoke plus fog, motel, motor plus hotel, infotainment, information plus entertainment, hungry plus hungry and angry. Okay, now let's move to the second concept about acronyms. An acronym is a word from the initial letters of a group of words. Sometimes we read it as a word, and sometimes we spell it letter by letter. Okay, so how do acronym works? Let's look at their characteristics. There are three characteristics about acronyms. First, are formed from the first letter of several words, are used to make long names shorter and easier to say. And the last, are common in technological organization and government. There are two types of acronyms. First, acronyms read as a word. For example, NASA, National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Example number 2, United Nations, UNICEF, United Nations International Children's Emergency Fund. Number 2, initial. Acronym as a initialism, read letter by letter. For example, USA, United States of America, FBI, Federal Bureau of Investigation. Okay, let's look at more examples so it becomes clearer. Here are more common acronyms: NATO, UNESCO, BBC, ATM. Okay, now might be wondering how are blends and acronyms different from each other. Let's compare them. The difference between blends and acronyms is, here is the main difference. First, blends are made by mixing parts of words. Acronyms are made from the first letter of words. Even though they are created differently, but help us use shorter and more practical words in everyday communication. Okay, alright. I think that's all my presentation about blends and acronyms today. Thank you for listening and thank you for your understand. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.